So I wanted to just do a brief DIY video about the lawn because if you have an inflatable pool for the first time, you might be worried like what's going to happen when I have to take it down for the season and then I have this big bare spot. I've gone through this a couple of times now, so I know like when I had the rectangular inflatable pool, the grass grew right back, so you couldn't even see it the next year, so I knew it was going to be okay. But I thought this time I'll do a video on it to show you grass is pretty easy to grow, so you just get some lawn seed. I got this before, Easy Seed and Patch and Repair. So it has the seed and some fertilizer in it, and it has this handy thing that makes it easy to sprinkle, so you just sprinkle it easily. But what I often do is I'll get this once and then I'll refill it with like cheap lawn seed that's just like in a bag, because this is easier to spread it with. But yeah, I mean, it's done pretty well. Allie, I'm trying to do a video. If you want to be really careful or do things properly, you can rake the ground first, like rake away all the dead straw, dead grass, and then sprinkle the seed, and then just give it a light sprinkling with topsoil on top. But if you can't be bothered with that, you're probably okay to just put the seed. I'll show the video of when I put the seed on after I took the pool down. That was like the end of September, and now we're into October, so the grass is growing nicely. I did give it some plant food once a week for the first couple of weeks, and usually you'd have to water it every day, but we had rain like almost every day. Like I was actually worried the rain was going to wash away the seed, because sometimes it was like almost flooding, but it seems to be okay. I mean, there are some parts that like in the back corner there was like a puddle of water. It looks like a swamp, but I think if nothing else, maybe some moss will grow there. But yeah, it's growing in pretty good, so you probably won't even see that in the spring. And I mean, some people might think, well, I'm putting the pool back up next year, so what does it matter if the grass grows? But I mean, you don't want to have a bare spot in the spring, because you don't put the pool up till the summer. Anyway, just thought I'd do a short video on that, so take care.